Me a the teacher. Hey. Kulira gwenze musomesa asomesa basomesa. Nze musomesa asomesa basomesa. Pina mana nze musomesa asomesa basomesa. Nze musomesa.
So I put a skillet on medium low heat, and the skillet is hot, so I am gonna pour enough oil into it. I believe this oil will be okay. Just enough oil to cover the bottom of the skillet. So I am gonna allow the oil to become hot. So this is sweet pepper, ripe sweet pepper, half of onion, 1 clove garlic, 2 hot peppers, but the green one is more for flavor and the hot one is for heat. It will not be too spicy. So I'm gonna saute the seasoning until translucent. So I basically gonna cook the seasoning into the hot oil. So the seasoning is cooked. Or as they call it in the cooking term, translucent. So you want to saute the seasoning until it looks like that, right? It is cooked. Now I am going to add the ham. And remember that the ham is already cooked, right? So I am just going to saute it. So I'm gonna just let it stay like that for a while, you know. Gonna cover it. So I have some ackee here that I already boiled, right? If you want, you can use the tin ackee. They're gonna have this with rice. Meal is basically for my family, but not for myself because of the ackee. So I already have some bacon that I fry up separately for myself, right? So I'm gonna add some ketchup, not a lot, and this is optional. But that's how my family wants it. If you don't want a ketchup on yours, don't put it. But my family wants ketchup on theirs, right? So what I'm gonna do now is to gently stir or toss the ackee. But in this case, I'm just preparing it as how them want it. And them want the ackee to kind of mash up. In this recipe, I did a chicken recipe, where they prefer the ackee to like the old, what I would say, stay firm with their shape. But in this recipe, they want the ackee to kind of mash up. So, them weird. Some recipe where them ask, but trust me, that's how them want it. It's basically finished, you know. I just have to cover this I'll let everything simmer together. This is so easy. This is it. This is a very easy and delicious meal according to my family. Now, if you have leftover you can just use it with ackee. It can use by itself as well. You can fry it up with some tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, onion and tomato and sweet peppers, etc. You know, it's really tasty and nice. And yes, they're gonna have this with 1 scoop of white rice and few fingers of green boiled bananas.